Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here, I'm Jo.
And I'm Andy.
And we are here for this. Expertly moving my head out the way. You may have noticed there has been no videos on this channel for
quite a while.
Do we have videos filmed? Yes. Have I had time to edit them? No. So after this video you will be seeing quite a few videos because we have a backlog of them.
Yep. So prepare for the gluts.
Yeah, basically. But tonight we are at Rivers of Light, which is like a walking exhibition around Liverpool of lights.
I have no idea what it is, but it just keeps appearing every year.
It does. It's an outdoor exhibition around lights.
By a few artists, so it looks like seems to be some Ukrainian artists as well as some others as well, so.
Yeah, so we're going to check it out. We will leave links down below to what the website for River of Light, and we'll also pop up the artists of each of the individual installations.
So let's get to it.
Just as the rain starts.